In today's fast-paced digital world, mastering AI side hustles has become a game-changer for those looking to boost their income. In this video, we'll explore the exciting realm of artificial intelligence and how it can be harnessed to create profitable side ventures. You'll learn about various AI tools and platforms that can help you streamline your efforts, whether you're interested in content creation, data analysis, or even e-commerce. The importance of leveraging AI for income generation cannot be overstated. With the right strategies, you can automate tasks, enhance productivity, and ultimately increase your earnings without sacrificing your free time. As we dive deeper, we'll discuss the thrilling opportunities available today, from freelance gigs to developing your own AI-driven products. Imagine being able to tap into a market that's not only growing rapidly, but also offers endless possibilities for innovation and creativity. So, if you're ready to unlock your potential and explore how AI can transform your financial future, stick around. AI side hustles refer to income-generating activities that leverage artificial intelligence technologies to enhance efficiency and profitability. In today's economy, where digital transformation is at the forefront, these side hustles are becoming increasingly relevant. They allow individuals to tap into the power of AI to create innovative solutions, automate processes, and ultimately generate revenue. There are various types of AI side hustles available, ranging from freelance data analysis and content generation to developing AI-driven applications and chatbots. Each of these opportunities caters to different skill sets and interests, making it easier for anyone to find a niche that suits them. One of the most appealing aspects of AI side hustles is their flexibility and scalability. You can start small, dedicating just a few hours a week, and gradually expand your efforts as you gain experience and confidence. This adaptability allows you to balance your side hustle with other commitments while exploring the potential for significant financial growth. Embracing AI in your side hustle journey could be the key to unlocking new income streams. Choosing the right AI side hustle starts with a bit of self-reflection. Take some time to assess your personal strengths and interests. What are you passionate about? What skills do you already possess that could be valuable in the AI landscape? Understanding these aspects will help you identify opportunities that resonate with you. For instance, if you have a knack for writing, content generation using AI tools could be a perfect fit. Similarly, if you're skilled in data analysis, you might explore freelance gigs that involve interpreting data sets or creating predictive models. Other valuable skills include programming, graphic design, and digital marketing, all of which can be enhanced by AI technologies. Once you've identified your skills, it's essential to align them with market demand. Research current trends in AI and see where your strengths can fill gaps in the market. Platforms like LinkedIn and freelance websites can provide insights into what employers are looking for. By aligning your skills with market needs, you'll be better positioned to choose a profitable AI side hustle that excites you. Finding the right AI tools and platforms is crucial for maximizing the potential of your side hustle. Popular options include tools like ChatGPT for content creation, TensorFlow for machine learning projects, and Canva's AI features for graphic design. These platforms can significantly enhance your productivity and creativity, making your side hustle more efficient and effective. Staying updated with advancements in AI is equally important. The field is evolving rapidly, with new tools and features emerging regularly. Subscribing to industry newsletters, following AI blogs, and participating in online forums can help you keep your finger on the pulse of the latest developments. This knowledge will empower you to leverage cutting-edge technologies in your work. Don't hesitate to experiment with different tools to find the best fit for your specific needs. Each platform has its unique strengths, and what works for one person may not work for another. By trying out various options, you can discover which tools resonate with your workflow and enhance your overall productivity, ultimately leading to greater success in your AI side hustle. Creating a business plan. A solid business plan is essential for the success of your AI side hustle. Start by outlining the key components, which include an executive summary, market analysis, organizational structure, product or service description, marketing strategies, and financial projections. Each section plays a crucial role in guiding your venture and attracting potential investors or partners. Setting realistic goals and timelines is vital. Break down your objectives into short-term and long-term goals, ensuring they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This approach will help you stay focused and motivated as you progress. Additionally, consider your target audience carefully. Understanding who your ideal customers are will inform your marketing strategies and product offerings. Research their needs, preferences, and pain points to tailor your services effectively. Incorporate marketing strategies that resonate with your audience, whether through social media, content marketing, or email campaigns. By creating a comprehensive business plan that addresses these elements, you'll be well equipped to navigate the challenges of your AI side hustle and work towards sustainable growth. Marketing your AI side hustle effectively is crucial for attracting clients and generating income. Start by exploring various marketing channels that suit your business model. Websites, blogs, and email newsletters can serve as foundational platforms to showcase your expertise and offerings. Building an online presence is essential in today's digital landscape. A professional website not only establishes credibility, but also acts as a hub for potential clients to learn about your services. Make sure to optimize your site for search engines to increase visibility. Social media is another powerful tool for marketing your AI side hustle. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram allow you to connect with your target audience, share valuable content, and engage in conversations. Regularly posting updates, insights, and success stories can help you build a loyal following. Content marketing is equally important. Create informative blog posts, videos, or podcasts that address common challenges in your niche. This not only positions you as an authority, but also drives organic traffic to your site. By combining these strategies, you can effectively promote your AI side hustle and reach a wider audience. Scaling your side hustle is essential for maximizing your income potential. One effective strategy is to focus on increasing efficiency and productivity. Streamlining your processes can free up valuable time, allowing you to take on more clients or projects. Identify repetitive tasks that can be optimized or eliminated to enhance your workflow. Exploring automation and outsourcing options is another key approach. Utilize AI tools to automate routine tasks, such as scheduling, invoicing, or data analysis. This not only saves time but also reduces the likelihood of errors. Additionally, consider outsourcing specific tasks to freelancers or virtual assistants, enabling you to focus on higher-level responsibilities and strategic growth. Continuous learning and adaptation are vital in the ever-evolving AI landscape. Stay updated on industry trends, new technologies, and best practices to remain competitive. Attend workshops, webinars, or online courses to enhance your skills and knowledge. By embracing a mindset of growth and flexibility, you can effectively scale your AI side hustle, leading to greater income and long-term success. Inspiring success stories of individuals who have mastered AI side hustles can motivate anyone looking to embark on a similar journey. Take Sarah, for example, who started as a freelance content writer. She leveraged AI tools to enhance her writing process, allowing her to produce high-quality articles more efficiently. Despite facing initial challenges in finding clients, she built a strong online presence and networked through social media, ultimately landing lucrative contracts with major brands. Another remarkable story is that of James, a software engineer who developed an AI-driven app to help small businesses optimize their marketing strategies. He encountered technical hurdles during development, but sought help from online communities and forums. By collaborating with others and continuously learning, he successfully launched his app, which has since gained significant traction in the market. These stories highlight the challenges many face, such as self-doubt and market competition, but they also showcase resilience and adaptability. By drawing inspiration from these success stories, viewers can see that with determination and the right strategies, they too can thrive in the world of AI side hustles. In this video, we've explored the exciting world of mastering AI side hustles and the potential they hold for financial success. We discussed the importance of identifying your skills, researching AI tools, and creating a solid business plan. We also highlighted effective marketing strategies and the significance of scaling your side hustle for greater income. Now is the time to take action. Whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your existing side hustle, remember that the journey begins with a single step. Embrace the opportunities that AI offers, and don't hesitate to experiment and learn along the way. If you found this content valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on AI side hustles. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends or anyone who might benefit from it. Your engagement helps us create more content that empowers you to succeed in your entrepreneurial journey. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you thrive in the world of AI side hustles.